welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So I am super excited about this video because I have with me, if you can't see it, I have with me the new Series 2 mini brands. And oh my god, if you know me, and you probably do know that I like collecting little things or like miniature things. I'm not here just to unbox them with you. I'm going to actually be doing a challenge, and it's going to be like what I eat in a day mini brand challenge. So I'm going to open my mini brands, and whatever I get inside the ball, I'm going to go to the store and buy it, and then I'm going to have to eat everything, like make a meal out of what I got tomorrow. And whatever I get to eat tomorrow is whatever I get in the mini brands. So let's get to opening and then we'll go to the grocery store. I really love these so much. They get me so excited to open them. We got pink lemonade! Look how cute it is. Oh my god, it's so cute. We got some almonds. Oh, I don't like almonds, but they're so cute still. Oh, this one seems promising. It's big. What is it? We got caramel. We got caramels. Look at it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. I like the ones that come in like a plastic bag. I just think they're like really realistic looking and super adorable, and I like to picture them. I'm gonna move on to the next one, and look, it opens like an orange. Let's see. Oh my god, we got sweet relish. No! So let's open this one. Let's hope it goes well. Oh, what's this? Stovetop chicken. So this...
No, that's stuffing. Let me see.
It's stuffing?
I think so. Let me see.
Oh my god, I thought I got chicken. No! So I got stuffing. A stuffing mix. It got me excited because I saw chicken. Okay, we got another... we got a shopping cart! Oh my god, we got a shopping cart! Let's go! Macaroni! Yay! Yeah, so... Wait, is it bacon? Did I get bacon? No way! I got bacon! So the next one we have... What is this? We got shake and bake original pork. Hey! We got some almond milk. Okay, for breakfast. Okay, so last one. We got fries. Okay, so the last one. A Lunchable. Okay, fine. The one thing I get good, I drop. We got the pizza Lunchable. It's super cute too. So this is everything I got, and I'm really excited about it. Kinda not really. It's gonna be fun, but let's go and shop for them. I'm shopping. It's like a scavenger hunt. We found it. Oh, dang it.
There you go. Okay, what else do you need?
Shake and bake. Oh wait, it looks exactly like it.
It does look exactly like it. We got that.
It looks exactly like it. That's so cute. We found it. That's so cute. Aw, okay.
You want one or two for lunch?
2. If that's cheating, I don't know.
What are you gonna have? They're 2 for 3. Okay, there you go.
We found the crinkle brand. You got some almond milk.
Yep, none of these are chocolate.
Oh, well, I guess we'll just have to get the regular one. Look at that.
And then
We got the caramel. Hi. Okay, so, hi dogs. So, today is the day. We're going to do it. I'm so nervous. So, it's the morning. So, what do you have in the morning? Breakfast. And what's for breakfast today?
bacon and almond milk.
Let's go get out my foot, G. Let's go get the stuff. The two things.
The two mini brands. We got bacon and we got almond breeze milk. And here we have almond breeze milk. We couldn't find the chocolate one, like I said, so we just got the vanilla one. And here's our bacon. We didn't get the same brand because we already had bacon.
So here's my breakfast. I just have 4 pieces of bacon and some almond milk. I'm gonna be so hungry.
How do you feel about the almond milk?
It tastes regular, like regular milk.
I know, I love almond milk.
The bacon's good. Alright, I'll see you guys at lunchtime. I have to start online school, but I'll get to back to you at lunch.
So I ate my breakfast. I am in school, but I just got out of one of my classes right now. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. My tummy is rumbling. So I'm out of English class and it is lunchtime. For lunch, I have a Lunchable, caramels, some almonds, and I'm gonna make some lemonade as my drink, my pink lemonade. Gotta get our cheese and our pizza Lunchable.
So this is my lunch, and these are my snacks because I usually have a snack with lunch during lunchtime. Okay, why do that? I don't eat Lunchables. I just think they're like, no hate to anybody that eats Lunchables. I just personally don't like them. The cheese is pretty good.
Is so big.
I don't know. Okay. Bon appetit. It's cold pizza. So I don't usually eat caramels nor almonds. So it's gonna be my first time trying them. Yay! And I got these for the video and my dad like snapped them all down, so there's not a lot. Oh, they're tinier than I thought.
You're supposed to chew them. Are you sucking on them?
Oh, I can't. Just caramel. It's good. So I'm gonna eat my lunch, and I'll see you guys at dinner time. Eee!
I just got back home from basketball. That's why I look a little rough. But I'm gonna take a shower here and then and then we're gonna eat dinner. Ooh, that pimple. Ooh, baby girl. Okay, so why is it blurry? There we go. I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Okay, so I'm going to go eat dinner now. And y'all know, about to see my dinner. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna make this and I'm gonna eat it. It's kind of a normal dinner, kind of. I'm excited for the fries. Oh, and also we do have some fry seasoning here, so we can use this too.
Bon appetit. I had shake and bake, french fries, and mac and cheese. And here's my dinner. Put the shake and bake on the chicken, got my french fries, and got my mac and cheese. And since the only drink I had today was lemonade, I'm just gonna have a water for dinner. It's kind of basic. It's not really the healthiest, but it'll do. Overall, it was a really fun challenge. I had a lot of fun doing it because it's just like, you know, when you open it, it's a surprise and you get food and you get to eat the food. I mean, food is food. And now I'm gonna eat my dinner and then I'm gonna hang out and get ready for bed, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.